Welcome to Forth Valley College's Moodle 2 training videos. In this video, we're going to look at 3 different ways you can insert an image into your Moodle course. Before we start, it's important to note that you use Firefox browser. Firefox will allow you to use the drag and drop facility which is not available in Internet Explorer 9. On screen, I have opened Firefox browser, logged on to Moodle and navigated to my course. Once in my course, I have turned my editing function on. What I'm going to do on screen is I'm just going to minimise my screen slightly so you can see my desktop area here on the right hand side. And if I just drag down the page, okay, I'm going to add this Moodle logo to my certificate area. One way of doing this is by clicking on the item, pulling over, and where it says add files here, if I release, you will now get a copy of that file on my course. That's one way of putting an image onto your course. Another way is by using add an activity or resource, scrolling down the page and clicking on the page option and click on add. You need to give it a name, so I'm going to give this name as a logo, and unfortunately the description box is compulsory, so I just tend to repeat what I said in my name box. Now come down, you've got contents area. So within the contents area, I'm going to click on this little tree icon. It says insert stroke edit image. I'm going to find and upload an image, and this takes me into my file picker. So if I've got a file already uploaded, I can go to recent files or I can go and upload a file. So if I click on upload a file and browse, it takes me straight into my files area. I'm going to click on logo and click on open. Upload the file, and I'm going to click on insert. Now it says here, are you sure you wish to continue without putting an image description? Anybody that's using a screen reader really needs this description in, so I'm going to say cancel that. I'm going to go into image description and I'm going to type in Moodle logo. Click on insert. I'm going to scroll down and click on return and save to course. Okay, so I've now got a page that when the student clicks on it, it displays the logo on its own page. So if I scroll back down again, the third option is clicking on add an activity and resource. Scroll down to here, it says label. Depending on the version you're on, it might say insert text, but if you look for this little label icon, and again click on add at the very bottom of the screen, I'm going to get a text box up. Now click in that box, again click on the little tree icon. I'm going to find or upload an image. Now I've already got an image up here, so I'm going to go and click on recent files. Okay, so I've got an option here. I'm going to click on the Moodle logo and I'm going to say select that file please. Okay, now this file is actually quite big, but we'll click on insert at the moment. Are you sure you wish to go again without a description? I'll cancel and say Moodle logo and click on insert. Now, if I click on this item here, it's toggle full screen. It just means that little window goes big and I can actually work away in it. So if I click on there, and I'm just going to move this window over for you guys so you can see that. If I click on the item, I can then click on the handles at the side and actually resize my image. While I'm here, I can also add in some text. And then if I use that item to toggle back down to my small window, so we're back here again, all I need to do now is scroll to the bottom. Sorry, I should have said there, I actually just use cut and paste of text, which you can do as well, or insert your own text. And I'm going to scroll down and click on save and return to course. So you'll see here that it sits like this, and it's also editable by going in and clicking on the cog to actually go and update. So if I scroll up to my course up here and turn my editing off to let you see how they sit, that's the 3 different options.